Hey guys, Don Purdom. So I'm often asked, what is the shelf life of a website? And quite frankly, that answer is pretty simple. About 2 years. Now you might do 6 months earlier at 18 months, you might do 36 months. But somewhere between that 18 and 36 month period is about the useful shelf life of a website. In terms of if you plan to use your website at its maximum efficiency with its greatest ROI. Now, if you don't care about that, I've seen websites out there that are still 10 and 12 years old. Now, they're not working for those companies the way they should. They're certainly not going to be looked at as credible in some instances. Right now, personally, I'm talking to a major university. What is the one thing they want to see? They want to see my website. Why? Because my website, it brings about a certain level of credibility. The more up-to-date I am, the more it appears that I keep up with my business and what's important in my business to my customers. And I think you're going to find that's true in your business as well. So the cost to building that website every 2 years is more than worth the expense. And on top of that, you want to create the impression that, yeah, you are an up-to-date business. The technology is changing as well, the way Google and Facebook or other technologies that are coming online, the way they interact with your website. That means you're also going to have to make updates to your website every 18 to 36 months for the same reason, because the technology changes are necessitating changes to our websites as well. So if you have some questions, leave it in the comments below. Happy to interact with you, and thanks so much for watching and hope you found this helpful.